Hey YouTube, what's up? This is Lost Civic. This is my bike check. So first off, start at the front. Got ODI long neck grips, red, fucking awesome grips. That stock Sabroso let up handlebars off my old bike. Got the frame, kept some of the shit. Stone clutch. That's sanded down for stem. Animal integrated headset. Sabroso Pandora forks, stock Sabroso Leadham rim, stock tire, stock pegs. Then I got the Sabroso Vilicus frame. I love it. It's a light frame and it's just fucking awesome looking. Then we got Animal Akimbo cranks, Animal Akimbo BB kit. Love it. Shadow Ravager pedals. Been almost on a year of these and no problem so far. And Shadow one-piece seat. Stock Sabroso Leadham back rim, stock bag. Then you got Sabroso chain wheels, Sabroso sprocket, KMC 1/8 chain. Spread. I love this bike. It's a nice bike and fun to ride and it's light. So, yep, there you go YouTube. There's my bike check. See you later.